It's a 2012 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. Features include ultrasonic park assist, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V8 engine, heated steering wheel, memory steering wheel settings, external memory control, heavy-duty trailering equipment, four-wheel drive, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.